your coffee machine, your car, your shoes, shirts, TV, suitcase, sofa. They are all products of manufacturing industries. Industries responsible for the essential tools and comforts of our daily lives. Innovative and productive manufacturing is critical to the European economy. Yet a significant share of European industrial equipment is approaching the end of its designed lifetime. Disposing of aging equipment is costly and carries a large environmental footprint.
Manufacturing plays a crucial role for the economy in Europe, and therefore it's important to make a step ahead in technology in order to be competitive.
Researchers and industry representatives from 9 European countries formed the Reclaim project with an ambitious goal to provide solutions to help the European manufacturing sector remain competitive and sustainable.
What we are targeting on in Reclaim is to introduce technology to old machines in order to make them resource efficient. We have different technologies, including software, sensors, optimization plans for maintenance, which we will integrate in our pilot case.
By applying digital retrofitting to their production lines, companies will be able to give aging equipment a new lease of life and increase equipment effectiveness. These tools will first be demonstrated and refined in real industrial environments. In friction welding, home appliance production, wood manufacturing, footwear, and textiles. Proven solutions will be integrated and scaled up to other industrial sectors, helping make European industry more sustainable, productive, cost-efficient and competitive. Reclaim. Rejuvenating European manufacturing.